Learn to read and write Japanese, Hiragana, and katakana. Get the full video course at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Basic Japanese Writing, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to master the Japanese alphabet. You've learned these 10 hiragana characters from the previous lessons. In this lesson, you learn 5 new characters and again 10 new sounds. The first hiragana character for this lesson is sa. Sa. This one looks like a sad, sign face. Do you notice that sa and ki look similar? A good tip to remember the difference is that sa is so sad that it gets one less line. All of the characters in this column can also be altered by a dakten. Can you try and guess what the new sound will be? It will be za. Do you notice the difference? Sa, za, sa, za. Okay, next up is the hiragana character shi. Shi. It looks like a fishing hook. Let's add a dakten to shi. How do you think it will sound like now? Did you think it was zi? Actually, shi with a dakten is pronounced as ji. Shi, ji, shi, ji. The third one is the hiragana su. Su. Su looks like a su powder straw in a glass. Let's add a dakten to su as well. What do you think it will sound like? It's pronounced as zu. Su, zu, su, zu. This is the hiragana character se. Se. Imagine se as a mouse facing sideways. It's about to say something. Let's modify se with a dakten. It is now pronounced as ze, se, ze, se, ze. And our final character for this lesson is the hiragana so. So. To remember so, just imagine a zigzag sewing stitch. Now, can you go and say what so sounds like with a dakten? It will be zo, so, zo, so, zo. Let's see all the characters again. Sa, za, shi, ji, su, zu, se, ze, so, zo. Now, let's review what you've learned. I'll show you a character or group of characters and give you time to say them. Ready? Se. Which one is the hiragana sa? It's this one with one less horizontal line. Zu. The word zu actually means diagram. Did you remember this one? It's o. This one is ke. Sushi is the famous Japanese dish. Jiko. This means accident. Suki. Suki means like. Saku. This means to bloom. Zou. Zou is elephant. Okashi. This means sweets. Osake. Osake means alcohol. 最後 it means last. 想像 想像 means imagination. Try saying this long one. 高校生 A 高校生 is a high school student.
Great job! Do you want to get better at pronunciation? Try listening to Japanese blogs and podcasts. If you don't know where to look, we have a huge library at JapanesePod101.com. Remember, mnemonics help you associate English words with the characters, so they do not necessarily teach you the right pronunciation. Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what you've learned.
In this lesson, you learned sa and za, shi and ji, su and zu, se and ze, and so and zo.
よくできました。You've now mastered 15 characters and 25 Japanese syllable sounds.
Did you know that Japanese has a word for the day after tomorrow? You'll get to know it in the next lesson when we tackle the T column. Before you go, practice writing the following words on your own. And to learn more Japanese, go to JapanesePort101.com. Hey guys, what's your number one reason for learning a language? We asked our other listeners this question and compiled a list from their answers. You might be surprised to hear what a few of them said. Check out the list in the link below. You'll even learn a little Japanese while you're at it.
See you in the next lesson! またね!